With a summit elevation of 4,411 feet, it's a difficult climb. In fact, out of the 10,643 would-be mountaineers that attempted to scale this behemoth in 2010, only 46% were successful. Enter the soldiers of Bravo Company, 1st of the 214th General Support Aviation Battalion. These service members volunteer to be on call during the climbing season to rescue stranded climbers.
We care very seriously about the welfare of the citizens of the Northwest, and our ability to participate in this and help people out who are in trouble is a very valuable thing to us.
The National Park has a few options for rescuing climbers, but this unit is the only one equipped to perform the dangerous and tedious task of high-altitude rescues. In return, the pilots gain valuable knowledge and training.
So the value my pilots get is enormous. We have pilots operating in the mountains of Pakistan and Afghanistan, myself included, and it pays huge dividends to allow a pilot to see that environment before he's in it.
Since the reserve unit assumed this task in 1999, they have executed over 45 search and rescue missions and extracted over 75 injured or at-risk civilians.
It's an inherently dangerous mission, and we take it very seriously and try and mitigate those risks. But personally, to me, to allow somebody to go home that wouldn't have been there otherwise is very rewarding.
For the 5th Mobile Public Affairs Detachment, I'm Army Sergeant Justin Kuhl.